This is a high-end GSM and Wi-Fi alarm system. It has a 2.4-inch TFT color screen, touch keyboard, and RFID card sensing area. The panel supports 8 groups of preset alarm numbers, supports 99 remote controls, supports 99 detectors, support 20 RFID cards, support TuyaSmart and smartlife app. Work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Use Alexa and Google Home to quickly control it.
Okay, Google. Set my alarm panel to away mode.
Sure, arming the alarm panel.
Arming.
Alexa, disarm my alarm panel.
What's your voice code for alarm panel?
1 1 toe 1.
Alarm panel is
System
disarmed.
disarming.
It is widely used in areas that need protection such as residences, factories, schools, shops, financial rooms, villas, communities, etc., to ensure the safety of people and property. When the detector is triggered, the alarm host
0,
will receive the
1,
alarm signal,
zone.
and the LED display will
System
immediately
alarming.
display the alarm area and alarm information. At the same time, the panel will send alarm information to the app and make a call to the preset alarm number. The panel has built-in artificial voice.
0, 1, zone. System alarming.
At the same time, the panel will send a text message to the preset mobile phone number. The panel supports a variety of detectors, such as door and window sensors, motion sensors, water leak detectors, panic buttons, smoke detectors, temperature sensors, doorbell buttons, etc. When the host alarms, you can quickly use the RFID card to disarm.
System disarming.
Support TuyaSmart and smartlife. The status of the panel will be displayed on the mobile app in real
System
time.
arming.
You can use the app to control it, such as arming and
System
disarming.
disarming.
And of course, you can also use
System
text
arming.
messages and phone calls to control it.
System disarming.